What is up, everybody? German Shepherd 23 here. I'm back on Minecraft Pocket Edition. Yeah. You guys know that. I'm on SG Lifeboat. I'm gonna play some survival games. Basically, I haven't recorded lately. I did have a Q&A from a Nelson ages ago. I was editing it, accidentally deleted it. I bumped the wrong button, and yeah. So, I haven't uploaded lately. I'm off school today because I'm sick. I'm ill, so thought I'd record this. Minecraft Pocket Edition's updated, that's why I did this. So now I've got my actual proper skin. And yeah. Yes, that's my PC skin, by the way. That's so annoying how that keeps doing it. You can't like tap over here because it always brings that up. So we are going to go into the Alps. Got 30 seconds. Spin. There we go. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Yeah. Run. Some swiftness would be quite good to help get away. There we go, we got some pretty okay stuff. Oh, this is a better chest. That's a good chest because is there... Oh, jeez, I'm going the other way. I'm not going back that way with so many people there, but once it dies down, I'm going to go back and see if there's a crafting table. Try and make myself an iron sword. So, that's better, that is good. Yeah, bow would be quite nice because I got a couple of arrows. What was that? Is there someone there? Today I'm not having so bad lag. I usually have real bad lag, and then like I'd be running around, and who just kept... That's exactly what would happen. I would be running around somewhere, and I'd actually be back. Right, I'm going to jump into another game. Actually, let's see if we can get into... Should we see if we can play some Spleef? Damn, it's full. Okay, we'll just do another survival game. There we go, logged in. Let's see, can we get into one? Can you guys like not crowd? Just gonna wait for that to restart. Please. Stop swearing, people. All join. Got in. 2:45. Okay, this isn't a too bad map. I'm hoping I don't lag a lot, just like before. Once I've finished recording, I'm gonna stick it straight into the editor and into my editing software and edit it. What's time? 8:54. Oh, I'm ready. Gee, sorry about that. Ugh, that's horrible. I'm on this like cough mixture stuff and it's horrible. How long? We got a minute. Not bad. This is gonna be a big cut. Ooh, VIP. How long we got? This is a long 30-second bar. Wait, did I even say 30 seconds? I'm just gonna leg it. Sorry about that. I think I'm just gonna go around here. I'm gonna try find it. Could it be a chest in here? Oh, is it just like loot ground? There's parkour in there. I suck at parkour on Pocket Edition. Why am I lagging so hard? I hope this isn't like the same lag as what it was before. So then, like, I'm all the way back at like spawn and that's an okay start. Yep, and yeah. Okay, that's pretty good. Put some food. Just the iron. What happened to the iron? Right. I don't think I'm lagging. I'm just gonna touch wood so that I haven't jinxed myself. Touch wood in game too. Oh yes. Some good stuff in this chest. Thank you. That chest. Either I got a beetle weapon. I don't think so. No. Oh no. There's people nearby. Which isn't good. Oh. No! Run, run, leg it. Why am I so slow? Please. There's like 3 of them. What would no, there's only 1. Did you guys say this must be like, but you can't hit me from that far away. Hey? Where'd they go? Confused. This is okay. This video is gonna be called Failed Survivor Games because of lag and coughing. Thanks guys for watching. Like, please, comment games you want me to do. If you enjoyed it, anything like that, just comment whatever. And subscribe please if you're new. That would help me. Thanks for watching. Bye.